Everybody, everybody, get into it, get started, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Football coach Fulmer.
This is Bruce Pearl, head coach of UT men's basketball. Have a great time watching the fireworks.
This is Joel from Good Charlotte. On behalf of the boys and myself, we want to wish you a happy holiday on Star 102.1.
Change by the memories.
Hi, this is Madonna, and you're listening to your #1 hit music station, Star
Hey, this is Rihanna, and you're listening to your #1 hit music station, Star 102.1.
States of America. Gentlemen.
Hey, what's up? This is Martin from Boys Like Girls, wishing you a happy 4th of July on Star 102.1.
From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills